Hi, Anna. Come in.
Wow, your apartment is a mess.
I know. I didn't have time to put things away before you got here.
Look, are those all your clothes on the couch?
Yes.
Are they clean?
Actually, most of them are dirty. I haven't done laundry in a while. I usually wait until I can do it at my parents' house.
My sister and I usually go to the laundromat down the street. Why don't you go there?
I know I should, but that place isn't very convenient. You have to wait a long time.
Yes, I know. I have to do it every week. Anyway, are you ready to go?
No, I'm not ready yet. I still have to brush my teeth and wash my face. Can you wait a few minutes?
Okay, but please hurry. I think the restaurant is closing soon.
Pam, where's the closest ATM?
It's not that far. Do you see that yellow building over there?
The big one or the small one?
The big one.
Yes.
It's right next to it, on the right.
Do you know if there's a convenience store around here?
I don't think there's one around here. The closest one is on 3rd Street, but that's probably closed now.
I really need to get some things before I leave.
Well, you could go down to 22nd Street. There are a lot of stores down there that are open 24 hours a day.
Can I take the subway to get there?
Yes, but that'll probably take about a half an hour. You should just take a cab.
Won't that be expensive?
No, from here, I think it's only about $5. Professor, where's Canada?
Canada is north of here.
Can you show me on the map?
Sure. Look here. Canada is north of the United States.
Oh, I see. Where's Mexico?
Mexico is south of the United States.
How about Connecticut? Where's that?
Connecticut is east of New York.
What state is west of Pennsylvania?
Ohio.
Okay. Where's Los Angeles?
Los Angeles is in California. It's southeast of San Francisco.
Where's Boston?
Boston is in the northeast part of the country.
Where is Las Vegas?
Las Vegas is in the southwest. Hi, Maria. Did you have breakfast yet?
Yes, I ate at the hotel with my son and my husband.
Oh, they have good food there. What did you have?
I had some cereal, fried eggs, and orange juice.
How was it?
The food didn't taste very good, and actually, I don't feel very well now.
That's too bad. Do you want to take a break?
No, I'm going back to the hotel at lunchtime to lie down.
Okay. I'm going to the drugstore later. Is there anything I can get for you?
No, that's okay. I think if I rest for a little while, I'll feel better.
Anne, what do you want to do tonight?
I'd like to go see a movie.
I heard Titanic is playing at the movie theater.
Oh, I've heard that's a good movie. What time does it start?
6:30. It's a long movie. I heard it lasts for about 3 hours.
Will you come and pick me up?
What time?
I think we should get there early because they might be sold out. Is 5 okay?
Yes, that'll be fine. I'll meet you at your house at 5.
Do you want to get something to eat before the movie?
I'm not sure if there will be enough time for that. We can have popcorn and hot dogs at the theater if you want.
I don't like the popcorn they have there. I think they put too much salt on it.
Okay then. I'll pick you up a little earlier, and we can go to the Thai restaurant next to the theater. Is that okay?
Yes, I like that place.